Yes. Good evening, all of you. Yes, Thunder Play. I did miss you, man. Good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Am I audible? Can you check? Vanakkam, vanakkam. Good evening. Yes. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. யார் நம்ம பசங்களா? ஆமா அது அந்த லிங்க்ல இருக்கு. டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல லிங்க் இருக்கு. அதை ஆப்பை டவுன்லோட் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. Yes, I hope I am audible, right? Sir, echo आ रहा है. Can you please check Ednoid YouTube channel? Yeah, Barka, I am checking. Wait. Yes. Two voice. என்னதுப்பா? अभी ठीक है? Hello, hello. Is it fine now? Yes, Mohan. म्यूट करो माइक को. फिर कैसा बात कैसा करेगा आदित्य? Yes. शेख सर फैन क्लब कुछ भी. अब ठीक है. ओके. आई थिंक नाउ इट्स फाइन, राइट? यस. गाइस, इज इट फाइन? अभी क्लियर है. ओके. अब वॉइस नहीं आ रही है. ओके, फाइन. Now all right, sir. Thank you. Okay. So let us continue. We start with the dab. Okay. We'll start. Yes, my dear. His voice is not audible. Mayuresh, Piyush and all saying voice is not audible. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Yes, yes, my dear. Is it fine now? Fine. Now audible. Okay, fine. So now it's clear. Let us start. Let us continue with permutation and combination. First of all, before I start with today's session, did you all enjoy yesterday's session, my dear? Did you all enjoy yesterday's session? Did you understand what exactly we taught yesterday? Yes or no, my dear? I hope now you have confidence. Correct? Yes, good evening, Vikram. Yes. Fine. My dear, it's not about the confidence also. See, uh, whenever you are getting chance, okay, wherever you are getting opportunity, please write the test. Okay, it is not that coming and attending the lecture only is not going to help. We have to write the test also. Of course you understand, if you get any chance to write the test, please don't ignore any test. Even if you are not prepared enough, if you are thinking I can score only 10 marks or I can score 15 marks, but still you go and write the test, because that is what going to give you full confidence, my dear. Okay, yes. Yes, Sahil, thank you. Now let us continue with the permutation and the combination. As I told you yesterday, this topic we are expecting 3 to 4 marks in the examination. But I am very much confident if you attend this session, yesterday's session, and today few more sums we are going to do. For you, I can tell you one thing, my dear. At least 3 questions without any hesitations, you can easily give the answer. Yes, Sahil, thank you. Now, so today we'll start with some practice, some more problems. Before I start, let me do one rank sum. Okay, yes, rank sum. Yes, Mohan, please provide the PDF. Of course I will provide. Please wait. Rank sum we will do. Okay, how to find out rank. Okay, any problem we are doing, how to find out rank. Now before I start, I will give you one word. I want you to find out with your own method. After that I'll tell you my method. Of course that method only everyone follows, but if they are not following the same method, at least you will come to know what method I'm following. Yes, my dear, are you all ready? Now I want you to find out the rank of the word chalk. PDF कहाँ से मिलेगा? आपका डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया रहेगा ना बेटा रितिका? The description PDF might have given to you. Yes, I want you to find out rank for chalk. Yes, please find out rank for chalk, my dear. Are you trying? Please try your own method. Please try your own method. Guys, are you trying? Somebody answer, man. Are you trying? Sir, how? Very good. Wait, I'll teach. Before that, people may try now. At least in the classroom you might have done this. Okay. Yes, Black Panther is trying. Okay. Rahul, Lokesh, everyone is trying. Don't worry, I will teach. I'll teach. Vaishnavi wrong. Dharani, Davapriya right. Vikram Jai is saying no sir, we have not done. Okay, chalo, let me start. We need to find out rank of the word chalk. Okay, so blindly do what I'm saying, my dear. I'm not going to tell you in the first time itself you are going to understand. I may do 2 problems. One is chalk, other one is zenith. These 2 I'm going to do. And one more word I will give you for practice. Okay, I want you to do it. Now listen here. Chalk. See, total how many letters we have got? 4 letters we have got. How many letters we have got, my dear? 4 letters. See, sorry. 5 letters we have got. C-H-A-L-K. Chalk. 5 letters we have got. First, do what I am saying. Yes, Mr. Fun 32 is right. Look at this. 5 letters. So what will come? 4 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 1 factorial plus 0 factorial. This is what the first step you are going to do, my dear. This is what the first step. Okay. Yes. If there are 6 letters, you will start with what? 5 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial and 0 factorial. If there are 10 letters word, then you are going to start with 9 factorial, 8 factorial, 7 factorial, 6 factorial, 5 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial, 0 factorial. Okay, this is step number 1. Step number 2, this is very much important. Look at this. C. Okay. Now, if at all, I have to find out the smaller value. See, you know alphabetical value, which is come first, which is come next, that you know it, right? Now, C, first letter is C. First letter is C. Okay, first letter is C. Now, in the right hand side of C, do you know how many letters which are less than C? Can you please tell me, my dear, how many letters which are less than C? How many letters which are less than C? Nitya is saying 1. Yes, Balika, very good. How many letters less than C? Only A, which is less than C. Excellent. Fine, very good. 1. Start giving me the answer, my dear. Start giving me the answer. Yes, 1. So, into 1. Am I right, my dear? Into 1. Okay, very good. So, 1 letter. So, into 1. So, cut this C. Now, what is the second letter? H. Now, tell me, my dear, right hand side of H. Can you please tell me how many letters which are less than H? How many letters which are less than H? How many letters which are less than H? Only you have to check this word only. Don't go with the actual alphabet. How many letters which are less than H? Again. Very good. Very good. Only 1. Perfect. Only A which is less than H. Do you all agree, my dear? So, into 1. Cut this H also. Fine. Third letter is A. Only go for right side. Okay. Don't take the left hand side. Left hand side is gone now. Now, right hand side of A. Do we have any letter which is less than A? Sir, A is the first letter, sir. No letter can be less than A. Am I right, my dear? So, directly what you will do, my dear? Into 0. Yes, C, or that's what we are cancelling it. We don't consider C, H and all. That's what we are cancelling, my dear. So, A also cancelled. Am I right, my dear? A also cancelled. Now, what is next? L. Tell me, my dear, how many letters which are less than L? Right hand side. Do we have any letter which is less than L? K. K is less than L only. K is what? Less than L only. Do you all agree, my dear? So, into 1. Leave the 0 factorial as it is. That's it. Okay, that's it. Now, tell me the answer. Sir, 4 factorial is 24 plus 6 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. Is it equal to 32, my dear? So, our answer is 32. You understood, my dear? You all understood? One more sum I am going to do. Wait for me. The students who are doing it for the first time, you may not be able to understand in the first, with this one example. Let me give you one more example. That is what I gave Zenith. Those who understood, please start doing Zenith and start giving me the answer. Those who are unable to follow, please listen to me once again. Zenith. Now, total how many letters, my dear? Total how many letters? 5 letters. Total how many letters? 6 letters. Total how many letters? 6 letters. So first what you will do? 5 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 1 factorial plus 0 factorial. Am I clear, my dear? Yes, am I clear, my dear? This is the first step you will be writing. 5 factorial into 4 factorial, plus 4 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 1 factorial plus 0 factorial. Now listen here. What is first letter? Z. Now, right hand side of Z, how many letters which are less than Z, my dear? Yes, Abhi, you got the answer. Very good. How many letters, sir? Z is the last letter, sir. Whatever letter is going to come on that, everything will be less than Z only. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into 5. Is the first step, my dear? Yes. Now Z is gone. Do you all agree? Z is gone. Next one is E. Now, right hand side of E, how many letters which are less than E or how many letters which are before E on the right hand side? Sir, no letters, sir. Okay, all are more than E, sir. So therefore, what we can say, my dear, into 0. Is it clear, all of you? Cut. Next, N. Right hand side of N, how many letters which are less than N? 2 letters, sir. What are they? I and H. I and H. So into 2. Cut. Okay. Next one is I. Do you know how many letters which are less than I, my dear? Sir, only one letter, sir. T is more than I. H is less than I, sir. So into 1. So I is also gone. Right hand side of T. How many letters which are less than T? Only one letter. So into 1. And leave the last one. Leave the last one. Now look at this. Sir, 5 factorial is 120. 125s are 600. Plus 0. Plus 12. Plus 2. Plus 1. Plus 1. Are we getting 616, my dear? Yes. Ramanujam, not 615, 616. I hope you understood now. Any doubt, my dear? You tell me. I think now you understood. You know how to find out. Sahil, how did you get 640, my dear? Did you all understand this? Yes, Nitya, thank you. Yes, 616. Do you all understand, my dear? Do you all understand this? Yes, 616. Very good. Perfect. Good. 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 Piyush, everyone is fine. Can I give one more word? Can I give you one more word? I think you are able to follow, right? Now you no need to bother about how to find out rank of the word. Okay, you don't know how to find out. You don't need to think, sir, how to find out. It is going to be difficult. No, my dear. It's a very simple sum. Yes, thank you. Now, this trick you remember. Actual method is something different, my dear. If I use the actual method, it's a 2-page solution. Okay, there is one more trick also people are using. Even that is also 5, 6, 7 lines will come. But this one, in one line, simply we can do it, my dear. Yes. Friends. Sheikh Sir fan club is asking, what if there is repetition? Wait. First, one by one we will go. I want you to give me the answer for friends. This one is very easy, sir. I don't want whether it is easy or not. I want the answer. How to find a place? What place? My dear, give me the answer. Fast, fast, fast. Make it fast. You are taking too much time. 537. Logeshwari Aarti. Suttudu. Yes. Wrong. 1974. One student gave me answer 1974. But I am not sure. This is not the final answer. Let's check. Thunder place is 232. Only sutru. Arey, Ednovate, please give me the answer, my dear. No one is giving me the answer. My dear, are you trying? Gopi Saran says 1977. Vaishnavi says 1372. Madhu says 2697. Guys, innovate please, my dear. One 617. Go to 1M is giving 1977. So you did for only friend. Arey, why you want to settle with friend? Let us have friends. Black Panther. Excellent. Very good. You got the right answer. Yes. Wow. Vedant wrong. Piyush, very good. Ritika, right. 1977. Sheikh Sir Fan Club gave me 1977. Soumya wrong. Sai Devi right. 1257 wrong. 2097 wrong. Vaibhavi wrong. Rahul right. Nitya right. Okay. Yes. Wow. Fantastic. Divya 1930 wrong. 1857 wrong. Those who got the right answer 1977 for you people. Yes. Salute. Salute. 1977 is the right answer. You please check this later. You please check this later. Okay. Yes. Fine. Very good. Is it clear all of you? Yes. Yesterday till which sum we did, my dear? 36, okay. Now, this one we already did, right? Fine. Krish, very good. One more question, please. Arey Ritika, this is not that important question, okay? But still, if it comes, you will be able to manage. You can take your name and do it. Acha, somebody was asking me about the repetition. Let me just do it for repetition. For example, let me do one example with repetition. Okay, let me do one example with repetition. So let us take Gulu Gulu. Google. Okay, let us take Google and we will Google it. What 90? Mohammed Saad, Anjali Andal giving me 90. For what 90? Oh, acha, that's some. Okay, sorry. Yeah, please come back to this. Okay, some people are asking me, sir, when repetition comes, what to do? Are you all ready with this Google? Are you all ready with this Google, my dear? Shall we do it? Are you all ready? Yes. Just follow my trick. Ritika, after I just completed, you find rank for your name only. Okay? Yes. A range of friends, it's time waste, my dear Sriram. That you do it once again, you will get it. You might have done a small mistakes. Yeah. Now listen here. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 letters. So what you will do? 5 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 1 factorial plus 0 factorial. Am I right, my dear? 5 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 1 factorial plus 0 factorial. This is the first step. Now, tell me, how many letters are there on the right hand side of G which is less than G? Only one letter. What is it? E into 1. Am I right, my dear? Into 1. But it is not yet over. Now tell me, in this Google, is there any repetition from G? Is there any repetition? Yes, sir. G repeated twice. G repeated twice. O repeated twice. If the letters are getting repeated, what to do, my dear? Divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. I am explaining it very slowly. Please travel with me, my dear. 5 factorial into 1 divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Why 2 factorial into 2 factorial? G repeated twice, O repeated twice. Is that clear, all of you? Yes. Fine. Now G is gone. Now we have to take only Oogle. Oogle. You please remove this G. We don't want G because G is over. Next, to go for Oogle. Take O. Right hand side of O. Do we have any letter which is less than O, my dear? Do we have any letter which is less than O? Yes, sir. G also less than O. L also less than O, E also less than O. You all agree, my dear? So, into 3. Is there any repetition? Yes, sir. O repeated twice. So, divided by 2 factorial. Am I right, my dear? Sir, what happened to G? One G is gone, and now only one G you have got. You are finding the rank for Google only, no, now. So, only you have to take Google, not Google. G is gone. Now, look at this. For O also it is over. Cut this. Or remove O. Now, Ogle. Now, look at this, my dear. Right hand side of O, how many letters are less than O, my dear? Sir, again 3 letters, sir. So, what you will do? Into 3. Is there any repetition? Is there any repetition? No, sir. There is no repetition. So, keep as it is. Now, O is gone. Now, Gle. Right hand side of G. Do we have any letter which is less than G? Yes, sir. One letter less than G. One letter less than G. Now, this O also gone. One letter less than G. So, what you will do? Into 1. Now, G also gone. There is no repetitions here. Only LE. Right hand side of L. How many letters less than L, my dear? Again 1. Gone. So, leave as it is. 5 factorial is 120. 120 by 4 is what? 30. Plus 36. Plus 18. Plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Am I getting 88, my dear? If you all understood this, please press like button or show me thumbs up. Okay. Please, my dear, if you all understood this, please encourage me, my dear. But 12th Hindi medium में था, that's what, okay. इतनी नहीं आती शीतल. Sir, 88 is the answer. Very good. Very good. I think everyone is getting the answer. Yes. Yes, my dear. Fine. Good. For people who are talking about Hindi medium or any other vernacular medium, for you people I am telling you, I am from Tamil medium. Okay. I was not from English medium. I did not completed my studies in any convent school or any school. Just I'm a Tamil medium, an ordinary low profile student from government school only. I did. So that medium language doesn't make any sense. So you don't worry, you can learn whenever you want. Fine. I hope you all understood this, my dear. Say yes or no. Deepak, you know Hindi, man, English, man. Don't worry. You already know English. Why you are bothering? This basic English is more than enough. Question bank is saying our language is math, sir. Okay. Fine. You all understood this? Guys, you all understood. Can we proceed further? You all ready? Yes. Very good. Okay. So I think this one you already gave the answer, right, my dear? This one you gave me the answer, which is 90. There are 10 flights operating between A to B. The number of ways in which the person can travel from A to B and return by a different flight. So 10 into 9, which is 90. Am I right? Yes. Correct. Next. Mayuresh, please, my dear, let us not talk about that, okay? Because I know the pain of the vernacular medium students, okay? So, I know what exactly they have to face. So, please let us not troll them, leave it. Now, out of 7 boys and 4 girls, a team of debate club of 5 is to be chosen. The number of teams such that each team includes at least 1 girl. Each team would include at least 1 girl. I think similar type of question yesterday we did with a different situation, but numbers were same. What is it? At least one. Total minus none. So what is total is 11C5 minus, what is meant by none? Sir, all 5 are boys only, sir. 7C5. 262 minus 21. 441. I think everyone got the answer. Is it right, my dear? Sorry, 462. Yes. Total number of sitting arrangements of 8 members of a board on a row with a president and the vice president occupying central places. Yes, my dear. Total number of sitting arrangements of 8 members. And what is it? President and vice president what? In the middle chairs. Everyone is giving me B. I don't think B is Rahil is right. This side everyone given me Ragul right. Shaktivel yes, everyone. Vaishnavi everyone is right. Thunder wrong. Black Panther yes, my dear, you are right now. Very simple, ma. Look at this. 8 people. Let us take like this. 8 people, right? President and vice president always occupy the middle seats. Can we consider them as one, my dear, after arranging them 2 factorial? Is that right? After arranging them 2 factorial. Is it 2 factorial? Say yes or no? Say loudly. Say yes or no? Say yes or no, my dear. It is 2 factorial. Now consider them as 1. According to you, what you do? Sir, 7 factorial. So we will write the answer 2 factorial into 7 factorial. Very good. But it is wrong. Look at this. Total how many seats? Look at this. The president and vice president has to occupy these 2 seats only. Am I right, my dear? According to the given conditions. So their seats are fixed. They cannot go anywhere. So how many seats available for president and vice president? 2. So they can be arranged among themselves in 2 factorial only. Say yes or no, my dear? Remaining 6 people. How many seats are available? Only 6 seats are available. So it should be what? 2 factorial into 6 factorial is our answer. Whoever said B, just clap yourself. And from my side, little love from my side, my dear. It is not a circular arrangement. Question bank. It is clearly given row. The meaning of row is what? Linear arrangement. You understood now? You understand where you are committing mistakes? You got 2 factorial into 7 factorial. It was seems to be right. But no way. I hope now you understood, my dear. Is that right? So next time onwards you will be very, very careful. Janiel said he gave the right answer. Excellent, Janiel. Love you, man. Okay, can you try this? N factorial divided by 10 minus n minus 1 factorial p n minus 3. Yes, question mark. Great. Ritika, I want to know your rank of your name, because there is a repetition in your name in the letters. 40th question, Rahil is given me answer as 5. Even Ritika also gave me 5. Thank you, Janiel. Question bank also given me A. Okay. Acha, 274 aya. Very good. I don't know. Very good, my dear. You tried it now. For that only that clap. Yes. Now look at this. Let me try trial and error method. 5 factorial divided by 10. Is it nothing but 12, my dear? That is my left hand side. Go for right hand side. 4p2. Sir, 4 into 3. Again I am getting 12, sir. Option A. I think unanimously everyone gave me the right answer. अच्छा मैंने चेक नहीं किया था, सॉरी बेटा. Yes, unanimously everyone got the same answer. I appreciate you people, very good. Ha. A multiple choice test contains 5 questions and each has 4 possible options. How many different answer keys are possible? A multiple choice question contains 5 questions and each has 4 possible options. How many different answer keys are possible? Can anyone try and give me the answer? Make it fast. I'm giving you 2 minutes time for this. People are giving me 1024, 120 like that. Can you please check that? Fine. 1024 is the right answer, my dear. Option D. I'll tell you, there is a shortcut. Okay. Now listen here. There are how many options? 4 options. For the first question, how many possible answer you will have? 4. Anything, anyone out of 4. Is that right, my dear? And for the second question, anything out of 4. Third question, anything out of 4. Fourth question, anything out of 4. Fifth question, anything out of 4. It is 4 power 5. You are all understood, my dear. Possible answers only they ask you to find. Now see, there are 4 options. Anything, any one can be answered. Na? So what you will do, sir? A, B, your answer only. B, C, D. Am I right, my dear? Any one can be the answer. So first one, how many possibilities, my dear, for the first question? Out of 4, any one you will select. 4C1. Is that right, my dear? 4C1. Aditya, you do one thing. Today, one more time after the lecture, you try. Then tomorrow you ask me. Definitely, I'll show you the solution. Am I right? So, which is nothing but 4 power 5. You all understood, my dear? Yes. You all understood? Okay. Rajal, I saw your question. Will be done. Don't worry. Before I complete the entire syllabus, I'll get plenty of time. At that time, I'll do it. Don't worry. The remaining problems, one more day, we will discuss time value of money. There are 20 points in a plane area. How many triangles? Wow, very difficult. Very difficult. 5 or collinear. Can you give me the answer? I think unanimously everyone is giving me the right answer. Everyone giving me the right answer. Sir, simple sir. 20C3 minus 5C3. Is that right, my dear? 20C3 minus 5C3. 20C3 minus 5C3. 20C3 minus 5C3. Is it clear? The number of ways 4 boys and 3 girls can be seated in a row so that they are alternate. I don't want to explain this. Let us assume directly this type of question come in the examination. Let's see how we are reacting. Let's see how you are going to give the answer. Ritika 144, Rajal 144, very good. This side 288. I'll 144. Everyone is giving me 144. Very good. This side Santosh given B. Sheikh Sir fan club also wrong. Better change the name. You are keeping it as Sheikh Sir fan club, then you are giving me wrong answer. Now look at this. 4 boys, 3 girls. They have to sit alternate. That means what? Boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy. Am I right, my dear? This is the only option available. Do you have any other option? Sir, why you are always giving preference to boys first, sir? Why can't girls sit first? If girls sit first, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, one more boy has to come. That one more boy definitely here cannot come. Am I right, my dear? So that one more boy again is going to be here. So by default, boy will come first. Yes. So there are 4 seats available for boys and there are 4 boys. They can be arranged among themselves in 4 factorial ways into 3 factorial ways. 24 into 6. Yes. Wow, Ritika, sir, मेरा always backlog हो जाता है. First time you never. See, it is Ritika. Frankly, tell me, it's not about attending the lectures only. I hope it is fruitful also, right? Salute to Innovate, my dear. Yes, my dear. Actually, what you know, according to you, this is a simple session. People are coming and taking. To conduct this session, you don't know how many people are working behind the screen. Okay, lot of effort is taken place. Okay, so let us salute Innovate team, also our HiQ team. Next. Okay, next one. Can you give the answer for this? NPR is 3024, NCR is 126. Fine. Okay. So everyone given me 9, 4, but Pungo they give me 12, 4. Trial and error method. Yes, of course, trial and error method you can use, or otherwise. Now, you know the rule. NPR is equal to NCR into R factorial 3000. Sorry. R factorial is equal to 3024 divided by 126. Tell me what is 3024 divided by 126, my dear? What is it? 24. It can be written as 4 factorial. So R is nothing but 4. Then substitute R here and you will get it. Sir, why you are wasting your time, sir? I tried a trial and error method, sir. My dear, hats off to you. That is what you have to do. Okay. When N and R both are asking, that trial and error method is the best method. Even I know about it. Just I wanted to explain the actual method also to you, with you people. Next. How many 3-digit odd numbers can be formed using the digits 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Can I give you some time to solve it on your own first? To solve this sum, you cannot take more than 40 seconds. You cannot take more than 40 seconds. Wow, Rajal, you gave me answer very fast. Okay, before 40 seconds, not even 20 seconds. Excellent. You are faster than me, man. Wow, 75, 70. Everyone giving right answer. Yes, Piyush, very good. Very good. I don't, but say I have to check the answer. But good. What? Why? From this side, no one is giving me the answer. This side, everyone started giving me the answer. Wow. Praveen Kumar just gave the answer. करण ये सब में थोड़ा मुश्किल है करण 5 into 3 okay fine listen here 3-digit number using 5 6 7 8 9 so it's a 3-digit number how you will identify the number is an odd number by looking at the last digit should contain 5 7 and 9 last digit should contain what 5 7 and 9 which is nothing but out of 3 sir any one can be arranged sir am I right my dear 3p1 do we have any constraint for these two no sir remaining how many digits are there 4 digits are remaining how many digits are remaining because one digit already got arranged oh digits can be repeated sorry digits can be repeated this is very important statement I have ignored it okay the digits can be repeated so all the digits are available for all the digits so what is it my dear for the first digit also we'll have what 5 second digit also 5 but last digit definitely 3 only is it nothing but 75 yes I think you can do this 6p2r is equal to 12 times 6pr yes my dear option B Bhavya given me option B question bank given me option B acha you also ignored yes Vidur 46 I think everyone giving me answer B good Varsha gave me 4 let's see 2 because majority unanimously gave me 2 let me check 2 6p4 is equal to 12 into 6p2 of course this is right 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 and here 12 into 6 into 5 this 12 can be written as what again 4 into 3 so both are on the same sir what we did now sir we took the calculator sir we just multiplied sir of course you can do it yes 2 is the right answer Rakesh 3 gave man check it again this is sequence and series question why it is here I don't know in how many different ways can the letters of the word software be arranged so that the vowels always come together I want you to give me the answer yes Janiel 4 is not possible 2 is the right answer in how many different ways can the letters of the word software be arranged so that the vowels always come together very good total how many vowels 5 I think see look at this 5 and 3 only vowels are together am I right so that the vowels are together vowels can be arranged among themselves in how many ways 3 factorial ways so consider them as 1 5 plus 1 is 6 so his answer is 6 factorial into 3 factorial is it 4320 my dear yes I think I hope that you have done the sum before I complete it. Ho, 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 ho. What a question. In the next World Cup of cricket, I think this question was there last time, right? Sir, who remembers that, sir? Karan, it's in Chennai, Karan. In the next World Cup of cricket, there will be 12 teams divided equally into two equal groups. Team of each group will play a match against other teams of the group. From each group, 3 top teams will qualify for the next round. In this round, each team will play against each other. 4 top teams of this round will qualify for semi-finals and play against each other, and then 2 top teams will go to final where they play the best of 3 matches. How much minimum number of matches in the next World Cup will be? Yes. My suggestion for these type of questions, of course I'll explain, but since you have got the material, see, since World Cup also going on, I want you to try this on your own. Take this question as homework. I want you to, genuinely I want you to try. Okay, take this question as homework. Tomorrow we will be discussing about this before I start my session. But remember my dear, in the examination, see, always remember one rule for paper 3. People should know when to say no. This is very, very important rule. You should know when to say no. It is not that every question I'll try, I'll attend. Don't do that. Here, the drawback is the question is very simple. If you ask me, I can just solve that just like that. But reading time only will take a lot of time. After reading this big question, we have to answer it. It's a time consuming thing for reading and understanding. Because at least few people now have to read it for 3 to 4 times. Okay, few people now 3 to 4 times they have to read, then only they will be able to understand. So don't waste your time in those things, my dear. Okay. So I think that's all with our permutation combination. So permutation combination, last part, last sum of permutation combination, I want you to try. Is that right? Fine. Next. Sequences and series. Alpita, there are some over smart students are there. Ignore. Let us focus. They are giving the answer. Don't get frustrated. Don't get tensed. Now, sequences and series. Are you all ready, my dear? Now, in our syllabus, we are going to discuss 3 major sequences. One is AP, other one is GP. What happened to 31 question? I don't know. What is 31 question? Yeah, we have done it. Now try this. This is the answer. Yes, listen here. Fine. Let us not waste our time. AP and GP. Okay, enough, my dear. Are you all ready? Yes. AP, GP. First, let us understand what is meant by sequence and what is meant by series. Let us understand what is by sequence and what is meant by series. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot dot dot, 2, 5, 8, 11, dot dot dot, 3, 6, 12, 24, dot dot dot, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, dot dot dot, 3, 6, 10, 15, dot dot dot, 7, 10, 11, 13, 20, dot dot dot. Now look at this. Let me take the first example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot dot dot. Will you able to get the next two numbers, my dear? What is the next two numbers are going to be? So unanimously you people are giving me answer as what? 6 and 7. Do you all agree, my dear? Everyone is giving me the same answer. Am I right? Everyone is giving me the same answer. Remember this, this is very important statement. 6, 7. Next one. 2, 5, 8, 11. What is next to two numbers, my dear? 14, 17. Very good. Is everyone is giving me the same numbers, my dear? Are all, that is, everyone is giving me the same number. Am I right? Yes. Next one. 3, 6, 12, 24. What is the next number, my dear? Next to two numbers? Yes, sir. 48 and 96. Very good. 48 and 90. Excuse me. 48 and 96. Very good. Next. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16 and 1 by 32. Is that right, my dear? 1 by 16 and 1 by 32. Again, unanimously everyone is giving me the right answer. Am I right, my dear? Yes. Next one. 3, 6, 10, 15. 3, 6, 10, 15, comma. What? Rahul, check it again. Nitya, right? Yes, very good. 21 and 28. Here also you are able to guess. Am I right, my dear? Here also you are able to guess. Is that correct? But what are the next one? 7, 10, 11, 13, 20. For this, everyone will give me different numbers. Everyone will give me different numbers, right? So this is not fitting into any definition. Do you all agree, my dear? This is not fitting into any definition. Say yes or no. This is not fitting into any definition. Is that clear? Sir, no definition is possible, sir. I am unable to guess the next two numbers, sir, because it is not fitting into any definition, sir. Is that clear, all of you? Say yes or no, my dear. So, except this, rest all are called sequence. Except this, rest all called what? Sequence. Sequence means the set of numbers comes with some perfect definition. Within that there should be definition and everyone should follow the definition. And here we are going to find out what definition it is. So this is what we call it as sequence. This is what we call it as sequence. Sir, then what is my series, sir? 2, 6, 10, 14. Is it sequence? Is it sequence, my dear? Yes, sir, it's a sequence, sir. Because you know what is the next number? 18. Very good. You know this is sequence. This is called series. You understand what is the difference between sequence and series? I hope you understand the difference between sequence and series. My dear, weightage of this topic may be 4 marks, 5 marks. Madhavi is asking how, which one? What? I don't understand. Which one you don't understand? I don't know. Now listen here. You understand the meaning of sequence and series, my dear? Say yes or no. Yes, this is what we call it as. See, these things are called sequence and the sum of the sequences we call it as series. Okay. Now listen here. Now listen here. I told you sequence means there will be a definition. There will be a definition. Now look at this. How did you identify the next two numbers are 6 and 7, my dear? How did you identify the next two numbers 6 and 7? Sir, everything is increasing by 1, sir. Am I right, my dear? Say yes or no? Or otherwise. Sir, the difference everywhere is 1, sir. Say yes or no? In simple word, I am going to say, sir, there is common difference 1, sir. Is that clear, my dear? Sir, the difference is common. Is it clear, all of you? The difference is common. So that common difference is what? 1. Say loudly, man. The common difference is what? 1. Okay. How you can find out and all, I'll tell you later. The common difference is 1. Do you all agree, my dear? Now here, do we have common difference or what? Yes, sir, there is a common difference. What is common difference, my dear? 3. The common difference is what? 3. Is that clear, my dear? The common difference is what? 3. Is that correct? Say yes or no. Now, here, do we have common difference? No, sir. Actually, here, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. There is a common multiple. We are not supposed to say it as common multiple. We should say it as what? Common ratio. What is common ratio is? Sir, 2, sir. Common ratio is 2 because 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Simply how to find out common difference, you know. Second term minus first term is common difference. Second term divided by first term, common ratio. Second term divided by first term is what? Common ratio. Is that clear, my dear? So what is 6 by 3 is equal to 2. This is what our common ratio. Say yes or no, my dear. Now, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Common ratio. May I know what is common ratio here? Sir, second term divided by first term is equal to what? Common ratio is nothing but 1 by 2. Do you all agree, my dear? Say yes or no. Next. 3, 6, 10, 15. What is the difference here? 3, 4, 5, 6. Sir, there is a difference, sir. But the difference is not common, sir. Correct? There is a difference. But difference is not common. Is that clear, my dear? There is a difference. But the difference is not common. Say yes or no, my dear? Yes. So that you remember. Now, in any sequence where there exists common difference, that sequence I am going to call it as AP. That sequence which I am going to call it as what, my dear? AP. Any sequence which has got common ratio, we are going to call it as GP. Okay. One is AP, other one is GP. What is meant by AP, my dear? In a sequence there is a common difference, we call it as AP. Same way in a difference there is a common ratio, we call it as GP. Do you all agree with me, my dear? You understood or not? Say yes or no. Yes, common difference and common ratio, two important things. Here, to form any sequence, either it is AP sequence or GP sequence, two things are very, very important. One is first term, second one is common difference, and what? Or what? Common ratio. These two are very important. Am I right, my dear? For both the cases, first term is needed. So, common difference, common ratio are important. When there is a common ratio, that sequence we call it as arithmetic progression. When there is a common ratio, that is called what? Geometric progression. So, this one is arithmetic progression and this one is what? Geometric progression. In short, first term, we are always going to denote it as what? A. Common difference, we are going to denote it as D. Common ratio, we are going to denote it as R. You all understood this, my dear? Say yes or no. So how you will find out a sequence is an AP? How you will find out the sequence is an AP? By looking at the common difference. Sir, where there is a common difference, then we can say the sequence is an AP. When there is a common ratio, that sequence, we can say it as what? GP. Is that clear, my dear? Say yes or no. Okay. My dear Innovate channel students, please listen here. Don't waste your time. Okay. Of course, you understand the meaning of this, right? First, there is one more series also there, one more sequence. That is harmonic progression, HP. What is HP? I'll tell you. Can you please upload chapter 1? Save Bethel Nagar. Yes, I read your statement. Please go to the description. There is a link and click that link and register yourself. HP. What is HP? I'll tell you. 3, 6, 9, 12. What is this sequence, my dear? What is this sequence, my dear? What is the name of the sequence? What is the name of the sequence? Guys, answer. AP, very good. AP, perfect. GP, Varsha, what you are giving? What is GP here? 369, there is a common difference. It's AP. Am I right, my dear? Now, the reciprocal of each term of AP we are writing. The reciprocal we are writing. This is what we call it as HP. That is, when a sequence is given, when their reciprocals are in AP, that sequence we call it as HP. Is that clear, all of you? Yes, remember this. Next part, okay? Now, first one. AP. What is first one, my dear? AP. What is first one is AP. Now, in AP, what and all you have to remember? What and all you have to remember? A, first term, and D, common difference. Now, since it is sequence and series, am I right, my dear? It is sequence and series. Now let me tell you, in sequence what is the question, what type of question expected? In series what type of question expected? Very simple, my dear. In sequence, finding the nth term we are saying na. One sequence is given, find its 20th term, find its 25th term, total how many terms are there. These type of question comes under sequence. Sum of n terms, this is comes under series. So first one is nth term. What is the formula for nth term, my dear? Or you can say it is last term. What is the formula for nth term or last term, my dear? A plus n minus 1 into D. Is it clear, all of you? Say yes or no. What is nth term is? A plus n minus 1 into D. What is nth term is? A plus n minus 1 into D. How you will find out n? N is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. What is n equal to? L minus A by D plus 1. What is L? L is last term. A is first term. Divided by common difference plus 1. Is that clear, my dear? Yes. Next one is sum of n terms. What is next one, my dear? Sum of n terms. What is sum of n terms is? Sn is equal to. What is sum of n terms is? Sn is equal to. The formula for Sn is n by 2 into first term plus last term. Is that right, my dear? N by 2 into first term plus last term. Is that clear, all of you? First term plus last term. Or when you know first term and last term, this is the formula to be used. When you know only first term and common difference, you will be using this formula. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Is that clear, all of you? Sir, this and all we know, sir. From 10th standard we are doing, sir. Why you are wasting our time, sir? My dear, the basic I want you to remember, because here I am going to have some tricks. Okay, if I have to use those tricks, I want you to go with this way, my dear. That's it. Otherwise, I won't be able to connect the tricks or hacks with the problems. Fine. Are you ready to do few problems, my dear? Yes? Can I give you some problems? Are you ready? Fine. Okay. Let me check how you are able to solve this. If 7th term of an AP 31 okay, 11th term is 47, find 20th term. Please find out. I got the answer. Sir, you only wrote the question, so you remember the answer. No, my dear. There is a pattern. Yes, Rahul, right. Yes, Rahul, right. Yes, Gopi. Innovate. Yes, go to 1M. Praveen, yes. Sakshi, 4-7. Why 4-7? Which one you are doing, Sakshi? 83. Janiel, right. Very good. Janiel got the answer. Dav Priya, Balika, yes, my dear. Yes. Muskan, right. Muskan, wrong. Check. Black Panther, right. Rahil, why 44 game? Ritika, very good. Piyush, right. Alpita, right. Okay, fine. Sir, it's a very simple question, sir. Since 10th standard we are doing, sir. What did you say? 7th term is 31. 11th term is 47. Simply, sir, a plus 6d is equal to 31. A plus 10d is equal to 47. Change the sign. Minus 4d is equal to minus 16. D is equal to 4. Am I right, my dear? When d equal to 4, substitute d equal to 4 in any one of the equation. A plus 6 into 4 is equal to 31. A is 7. Now the question is 20th term. A plus 19 fours are 83, sir. Is that right? But I don't like this method. I don't like this method. Waste of time. Do you really like this method? Or even I don't like. Okay, fine. Then what to do, sir? Look at this. T7 is equal to 31. T11 is equal to 47. Am I right, my dear? Is that clear? Fine. In one step, directly we are going to find out common difference. Common difference you can find out like this, my dear. 47 minus 31. What is it? 16. 11 minus 7. What is it? 4. Is equal to what? 4. My common difference is 4. Say yes or no? Say yes or no, my dear. My common difference is 4. Now what do you have to find out? 20th term. See. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28. But what is here? 31. So 7 fours are 28, but 31 is there. So how many numbers are more? 3. Same way, 11 fours are 44. But what is there? 47. 3 numbers extra. So 20 fours are 80 plus 3. 83. Over answer. Am I right, my dear? Is that clear? Very simple. Once you find out D, directly we can do like this, my dear. Say yes or no. Guys, you understood? Did you like this? Yes, Mr. Mohan. Very good, Mohan. Thank you, Mohan. You are right, Mohan. Absolutely right, Mohan. Yes. Fine. Okay. Are you ready to solve one more sum of this type? Very good, Janiel. 7th term is 11. 11th term is 7. Find 18th term. Yes, Sheetal. Yes, find out. 7th term is 11. 11th term is 7. Find 18th term. Yes, go to 1M right. Rahul Raj right. Is this nice, my dear? Yes, Aditya, you're right. Sriram just gave me 83. Priyadashni gave me minus 14. From where did you get minus 14? Black Panther, right? Black Panther. Little Heart, Okay, little at 0 right. Rajal right, YouTuber right, my dear. Rupesh right. Rupesh wrong. Rishabh right. Genial wrong. Anjali right. Nikita right. Jason right. Praveen okay. So 0 is the right answer. First, as usual, what you'll do? I am getting D is equal to -1, my dear. Am I right? D is equal to -1. D is equal to -1. Now, 7 ones are -7. So how many numbers ahead? 18 numbers ahead. So 18 they are asking. So 18 minus 18 is equal to what? 0. Directly I can get 0. This is one way of approach. Other way of approach also I'll tell you. Other way of approach also I'll tell you. Do you know what is 11th term? What is 11th term is? Say loudly. What is 11th term is? My dear, I am telling you one more method. 18th term they ask you to find out, right? So I know what is up to 11th term. Is that right? Remaining how many terms we have got for 18 terms? Remaining 7 terms because here 18. Up to 11 terms 7 I know. So how many terms are remaining now? How many terms to be added to get 18? 7 terms you have to add. Plus 7 times common difference. This is my answer. 0. You got it, my dear? Fine. Good. Find number of terms. Find number of terms. Yes. How many number of terms? 21. Okay. This side no one is giving me answer. Ah, Aditya, very good. Rajal, very good. Fine. Sir, what you did? Sir, n equal to L minus A by D. D is what? 4 plus 1, which is equal to 21. Is that clear, my dear? Say yes or no? I'll tell you one thing orally, but don't try this in exam. Just for fun or just to understand the numbers. So for that only I'm going to tell you this. The sequence is what? 3, 7, 11, dot, 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 83. Common difference is 4. See, listen here. If the sequence would have started from 4, the last number could be 84. Do you all agree, my dear? If the sequence would have started from 4, last number could be what? 84. What is 84 by 4? 21. That is the answer. Okay. So that is the answer. Fine. See, this is just to play with the numbers. This is just to play with the numbers. Nothing else. Find the 23rd term. 7, 12, 17, dot, dot, dot. Find the 23rd term. Find the 23rd term. 117. 117. Yes. Listen here. 117. What is it, sir? They ask you to find out T23, sir. A plus n minus 1 into D, sir. Which is equal to 117, sir. Am I right, my dear? Very good. 117. Excellent. Yes, Anjali. Everyone is right. But the same problem I may approach in different way. 7, 12, 17, dot, 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 dot. Correct? If the sequence, what is the common difference? 5. So if the sequence would have been started with 5, the law, that is 5 means what? The sequence, if I start with 5, what term they are asking, my dear? 23rd term they are asking. 23 5s are 115. But the sequence did not start from 5. The sequence started 2 numbers ahead of 5. So it will end 2 number ahead of 115. So what is it? 117. So orally also we can solve it without applying the formula. But this is just to play with the numbers. Otherwise, please write the formula, my dear. Go with the formula only. I hope you all understand this. Any doubt? Yes, Daniel, you are brilliant, man. Next. GP. Geometric progression. What is it? Geometric progression. Now, in geometric progression, we have first term, we have common ratio, which is A and R. Am I right, my dear? So what is common ratio can be found out by using what? Second term divided by first term. Second term divided by first term. Now, same way. There are two parts. One is what? Nth term. Other one is sum of n terms. Sequence, series. Now, nth term. The formula for this is AR power n minus 1. Okay. Sum of n terms. See, look at this. The value of R now sometimes can be more than 1, sometimes can be less than 1. So what is meant by more than 1 and less than 1, sir? I think in my previous example, the sequence example, look at this. In this case R is 2, in this case R is 1 by 2. In this case R is more than 1 and in this case R is less than 1. So here when I take sum of n terms formula, sum of n terms, which is Sn equal to, what is it, my dear? N by 2, sorry, I am doing GP now. A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. This is for R more than 1. A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R for R less than 1. One is what? R more than 1 and other one is what? R less than 1. Sir, what if I use R more than 1 formula instead of R less than 1, sir? Don't worry, nothing is going to happen. Okay. Now, the very important part of GP is sum up to infinity. What is very important part of GP? Sum up to infinity. What is S infinity is equal to? A by 1 minus R. Please write down this, my dear. This is very, very important. Please write down. Mohan, Janiel, the trick what you are using, it is actually will kill your time. Okay. Just a suggestion, whether you follow it or not, you take it. Yes. Fine. Next one. Shall we start with the problems now? Slowly, one by one, we'll do it. Say, I want you to solve the problems. After you solving it, I will also solve. But my approach will be something different. So you learn my approach, my dear. But in the examination, whether you want to approach my way or not, that you decide. It is not a compulsory. My way of approach is different. This one everyone knows. The sum of m terms of series 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus dot dot dot. These type of questions are very important type of questions. Okay, these type of questions are very, very important type of questions. Now listen here. How to approach these type of questions, I'll tell you. Sum up to n terms. Actually, this is not in GP, not in AP. But generally sum in n terms comes means, please follow what I'm saying. That is the best method. Okay. That is, take first three terms. 1, 11 and 111. So what you are going to get, my dear? 123. Is this right, my dear? When I add first three terms, I get 123. Put n equal to 3 in the option. Put n equal to 3 in the option. Whichever option gives you 123, that is your answer, my dear. Put n equal to 3 in the option. Whichever option gives you 123 is your answer. Say yes or no? Say loudly, man. Yeah. But remember, sir, my teacher taught me it is enough to substitute n equal to 1, sir. Okay, only check with first term my teacher taught, sir. Or some people may say, sir, my teacher taught me only 2 terms he asked me to take, sir. My dear, 1 term you can take, 2 terms you can take. But if you want to give the assurance, then better go with 3 terms. Okay, better go with 3 terms. 3 terms. So, put n equal to 3, 1 by 81, 10 power 3, minus 27, minus 10. Check whether you are getting 123 or not. My dear, if you want to be in safer side, please go with 3 terms. Do not listen to the people who are saying 1 term or 2 terms, because when you go with 1 term, more than one option may satisfy, but we will not be able to come to know. So it is better to go with 3 terms. You will never commit the mistake. Every time you substitute 3, Sakshi, you have to add 3 terms, and after that you substitute 3. This is the best method what I can tell you. No, sir, we are happy with 1 term or 2 terms, sir. It is up to you. 10 power 4, sorry. Why did you change it to 10 power 3? Next one. A person pays 975 rupees in monthly installments. Each installment is less than the former by 5. The amount of first installment is 100 rupees. In what time will the entire amount be paid? Okay. What is given? A person pays 975 rupees in monthly installments. So according to me, total amount is 975. So Sn equal to 975. Each installment is less than the former by 5. That means there is a common difference. First installment paid is 100. If first installment paid 100, second installment would be what? 95. Third installment would be what? 90. It goes on like this. So can I say, sir, D is equal to minus 5, sir. A equal to 100. Do you all agree with me, my dear? Do you all agree with me? Say yes or no? Fine. Now, 975 is equal to, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Is that right? Now you can use substitution method on the right hand side, trial and error method. First you will substitute option A. If I put n equal to 26, after substituting 26, I am getting 975. You will be getting 975. Then substitute 15. There also you are going to get 975 only. Both the conditions will satisfy. Can you please check it, my dear? Both the conditions will satisfy. Now tell me what will be the answer. Both the conditions are satisfying. 26 also satisfying. Is 26 satisfying? Is 26 satisfying? Yeah, satisfying. Now which one I should mark? Both or 15 or 26 alone? Varsha started. Varsha C, Balika C, Tamil Kurisil C, Thunder Play C, Praveen C. Very good. Oh, Davapriya C, Black Panther C. Acha, Ritika, 15 and 26. How it is possible, sir? Means you check. It's a quadratic equation will come. Very good, very good. Now people started giving me C, but Ramanujam is very much adamant. He said B only. See, after proving also, you are saying me B. Excellent, Sakshi and Aditya. This is what correct. Actually, answer is B only. For example, I am paying installment. If I complete all my installments in 15 months, why I will pay up to 26 months? You please logically think, na? If I complete the repayment in 15 months, why I should pay up to 26 months? If you are planning to pay like that, please come and take loan from me, my dear. I am happily will give you the loan. Fine? Yeah. So here only B is the right answer. 15 is the right answer. Do you all agree with me, my dear? Okay. So whichever is smaller, we should go ahead with that. Okay. Whichever is smaller. Now you say yes, yes. Very good. Yes, installment hai. Now, this is 3. The sum of n terms, Sn is equal to 3n square minus n. This way you write. Sn is equal to 3n square minus n. Its common difference is 6. First term, please find out, my dear. Please look at the question directly, you say me the answer, my dear. First term they ask you to find out. Sn is given, common difference is given. Please do it fast. First term. Let's see what others are giving. B. I don't know why you are taking this much time. They ask you to find out first term. Simply you put n equal to 1 here to answer over. Why? What you are doing? Insert 2 arithmetic means between 68 and 260. Insert 2 arithmetic means between 68 and 260. Yes, insert 2 arithmetic means between 68 and 260. I will tell you the actual method. I know you are applying the tricks only. Of course, you people are smarter than me. You know how to do it. But let me do it like a kid. 68. Second term, third term, 260. This is my first term. Am I right, my dear? This is my fourth term. The question is find the second term and the third term. So, what is fourth term is? A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to fourth term is 260. So what is 3D equal to 260 minus 68? So D is equal to, what is D is equal to? 192 divided by 3. D is 64. 68 plus 64 is 132. 132 plus 64 is 196. My dear, this is not needed actually. Simple. If you take trial and error method, 68 dash 196. Sorry, 260. What is first option? 132, 196. Let me check. 132 minus 68, 64. 196 minus 32, 132 also 64. 260 minus 196 also 64. Therefore, there is a common difference. Is it clear, all of you? Give me the answer for this. Pth term of an AP is Q. Qth term is P. It's rth term. A. Very good. People are giving me answer. Very good. A. What Q? Rajal, from where you get Q? Now, let me explain. How kids approach this problem. After that legend, after that ultra legend. Now how kids approach this problem. Pth term is Q. Qth term is P. Am I right, my dear? So what is pth term is? A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to Q. A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to P. Solving simultaneously, you will be getting P minus Q into D is equal to Q minus P. So D is equal to minus 1. Substitute D is equal to minus 1 in any one of the equation. A plus P minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to Q. After simplification, A is equal to P plus Q minus 1. Now rth term, A plus n minus 1 into D. P plus Q minus 1 minus R plus 1. P plus Q minus R. This is what kids do. Okay. Now, why I did fast without explaining? I don't want you to do this. Then how to do it, sir? Fine. Look at this, my dear. How legends do. Pth term is Q. This trick or hack which I am going to tell you, applicable for any of this type of questions, not only for this. Pth term is Q. Qth term is P. They ask you to find out rth term. Am I right, my dear? They ask you to find out rth term. Now look at this. Yes, Rupesh. Pth term Q, Qth term P. They ask you to find out rth term. This is legend method. I want you to learn the legend method because ultra legend method is going to be only for that particular sum. Legend method is going to be for any of this type of questions. Okay. Pth term is Q, Qth term is P, then rth term. Substitute some value for P and Q. The simplest value of P and Q and R, what we have to take, simplest value take. Don't take 10, 15, 16 and all. Don't take it. P is 1, Q is 2, R is 3. Am I right, my dear? Now substitute. What is the first one? First term is 2. Second term is 1. The question they ask you to find out third term according to the question. Am I right, my dear? Because R I am assuming 3. Look at this. In an AP, first term is 2. Second term is 1. So third term must be what? What will be the third term? First term is 2. Second term is 1. The third term must be what? 0. So what I am going to get? 0. So what I will do is, I will substitute P, Q and R in the options. Whichever options gives me 0, that is my answer. Only one option gives me the answer. What is it? P plus Q minus R. Is that clear, all of you? Yes, only one option satisfies. Now this is legend method. What is ultra legend method? My dear, these questions are fixed. Pth term is Q, Qth term is P, find rth term. Pth term is Q, Qth term is P, find mth term. Whatever, the question's fixed. Remember the answer is P plus Q minus R. That's it. This is ultra legend. Is it clear? Did you like this trick, my dear? If you like this trick, similar type of question, there are 4 questions in institute material. Go and try this. You will enjoy it, my dear. Arpuda Glory saying Jesus loves you. Thank you, Arpuda Glory. Yes. What, Mohan? Oh no. What happened? Myresh, why this reaction? Very good. Now, Jason, Dilshad, Santosh, Cynthia. Thank you. Look cool, sir. Yes, Nitya. I'm always cool. Next. The third term of GP is 2 by 3. See, we are talking about GP. Viber says ultra legend's best. Even I'm also saying ultra legend. Be an ultra legend. But every time ultra legend doesn't work, now what to do? Third term of GP is 2 by 3. Sixth term is... Okay, before I proceed, can I give you one sum of this type of question which is there in institute material? Let us pray to God. Let this question come in the examination. The type question which I am going to do. Okay, let us pray to God. Let this question comes in the exam. If pth term is... Sorry. In GP... P plus qth term is M. My dear, if A, C, if the sequence is in GP, can you tell me what is going to be the middle term? First term is A, third term is B, for example. Can you tell me what is the middle term? If in a GP, what is the middle term? Root of AB. I hope you all aware about it. Geometric progression, geometric mean. Fine. For example, in a GP, first term is 3, last term is 5. Can you tell me what is middle term? What is middle term? Root 15. I hope you all agree. Fine. Come here. P plus qth term is M. P minus qth term is N. Find pth term. This question is there in your institute material. What is the advantage of learning legend method over ultra legend method? Pth term is M, P plus qth term is M, P minus qth term is N. Find pth term. Little Heart is giving me M plus N minus R. Arivali, it is AP. It is AP. I am talking about GP. See, here there are so many Arivalis in this side. Rupesh, Rajal, everyone is giving me M plus N minus B. My dear, this is in GP. Nikita gave me the right answer. Jason gave me the right answer. Thunder Place gave me the right answer. This side, everyone has given me the wrong answer. Mayuresh gave me the right answer. Very good, Mayuresh. Talia. Nikita, okay. Ramanujam, right. Okay. Black Panther, right. Mayuresh, okay. Commerce Lifestyle. Oh, what a different creative names you people are keeping. Question Bank. Thunder Place, Question Bank, Black Panther, Commerce Lifestyle. Now look at this. Listen here. In my method, if you are applying my method, the method which I taught you, how to do it, I'll tell you. Look at this. Now look at this. Sir, we have to assume some value for P and Q. What value would you like to assume? Let us assume P, Q, some value. What value would you like to assume? Sir, 1 and 2, sir. For here, let us apply 2 and 1. Why? Because they ask you to find out P minus Q. So P should be more than Q. Then only you can find out P minus Q. So in GP, look at this. T P plus Q. What is it? P plus Q means, sir, third term is M. T P minus Q. What is it? First term is N. So in a GP, first term is N. Third term is M. What will be the middle term, my dear? What is the middle term, my dear? Root Mn. That's it. Answer over. My dear, if you understand this, if you liked it, please show me thumbs up or press the like button, my dear. Janiel said Haikyuu is also different. Did you like it, my dear? The name is good. Very good. Yes. I hope now you understood. Yes, heart, heart, everyone. Very good. Thank you. My dear, you understood now. Is that clear? Now I think you can relate how P and Q to be substituted. Yes. Now come to this question. Fine. The third term of a GP is 2 by 3 and the sixth term is and the sixth term is 2 by 81, then the first term is it clear, my dear? The third term of a GP is 2 by 3, sixth term is 2 by 81, find the first term. I want you to give me the answer. Yes, Rahil right, Rajal right. Rahil Shah came to this channel. Oh. Rupesh wrong. क्वेश्चन तो पढ़ने दो भाई. मेरे को बोल रही है अल्पिता. क्या अल्पिता? दुख कर दिया. Daniel wrong. B wrong. Rajendra Alpita A. Okay. Now listen here. It's a GP. Third term is given. Sixth term is given. Am I right, my dear? Say yes or no. Now, look at this very carefully. This is 3 power 1. Is this 3 power 4? Correct? And this must be 3 power 2. This must be 3 power 3. Do you all agree with me, my dear? The missing, I'm just doing the missing things, okay? So, this is 3 power 1. What is going to be the previous term, my dear? 3 power 0. And next one will be what? 3 power minus 1. Do you all agree, my dear? Say yes or no. Say yes or no, my dear. Numerator, every number will have 2. I think you got the answer. This is my first term. 2 by 3 power minus 1. Which is equal to what? 2 into 3. 6 is my answer. Did you understand this method? Did you understand this method? I want you to play with the numbers. Okay, Sheetal. Oh, sir, samjha. Very good. Any trick, sir? Arivali. Question bank. This is trick, man. See, you insulted me, man. This is actually trick. This is not the right answer. This is not the way, method of doing it. See, I'll tell you. Third term is 2 by 3. Am I right? Third term is 2 by 3. Fourth term, fifth term. Eighth term is what? See, sixth term is what? 2 by 81. This can be done as 2 by 34. Wait. So total 6 terms. Do you all agree? They ask you to find out the first term. Now I'm going to fill it. That's it. Look at this, my dear. 3 power 4. Next is going to be what? 3 power 3. Next is going to be what? 3 power 2. 3 power 1. 3 power 0. 3 power minus 1. Numerator everywhere. 2 has to come. Now, this is what they ask you to find out. 2 by 3 power minus 1 is my answer. Is that clear, all of you? Now you understood? Ritika is asking me once more, sir. Yes, generally. Say easy trick, make किधर से लेके आऊँ यार. This is actually numbers. See, 2 power 3, two numbers behind, 3 power 1 minus 2, 3 power 1. If you ask me, I can give n number of tricks, but at least this one only you will be able to understand. Otherwise, the method I'll show you. Third term is 2 by 3. Sixth term is 2 by 81. Now, a r square is 2 by 3. A r power 5 is 2 by 81. Divide these two, a r power 5 by a r square is 2 by 81 divided by 2 by 3. A cut, r cube, 2 cut, which is equal to 1 by 27. So r cube is equal to 1 by 27. So what is r equal to? 1 by 3. Substitute r equal to 1 by 3 here. Sir, 1 by 3 into r square is 2 by 3, sir. Correct? Oh, sorry. Ulta. A into r square. 1 by 3 square equal to 2 by 3. A into 1 by 9 is equal to 2 by 3. So a equal to 6. I hope now you understood. That was a trick. Earlier was the trick. Is that clear? This is what the actual method. Commerce lifestyle is giving me now, sir, tricks सब भूल जाता है exam में. If you are forgetting the tricks, what to do, I'll tell you, my dear. See, if you start loving the numbers, then obviously you will not forget, and it needs practice. See what you are doing. You are attending my lecture. You are learning trick. That's it. After that, you don't try this. Actually, what you have to do, you need to go and try from the institute material or any material. You need to try that. Otherwise, what happens, we teachers are coming and teaching hacks and tricks. You people are enjoying the lecture. Okay. But if you don't know how to apply it in the examination, then what is the point in explaining these hacks? We also will not get satisfied, because we are not here to make fun or enjoy during lecture time. It is about in the exam hall you should enjoy, my dear. For that, you need to go and apply. Okay. Yes. I did not have patience to watch movie, but I sit and watch. Wow, thank you, Mohan. Yes. Fine, guys. Okay. My dear, don't worry. That is after law exam gets over, I'll come on YouTube. I'm going to solve around 500 or 600 questions on that day. I will revise all the tricks, and I'm giving you one challenge, my dear. But for that, you need to complete this full session. Full session you need to complete. Okay, one day you are coming, one day you are not coming, means there is no use. Full session you complete. And when you come for the last day revision, one day again I will come on YouTube. We'll do it. In between also I'm going to have more sessions. So I will not allow you to forget the tricks. Okay, that much I can do. Now, the sum of the series -8, -6, -4, ... n terms is 52. The number of n is, please find out. Rupesh, I am doing statistics, Rupesh. I am continuing statistics. In my channel, I am continuing. Actually, in Admit also, fantastic faculty only going to do. Please, you will enjoy it, man. You attend that. Nitya, sir, I will come every day with different names. Achha, today your name is Nitya, but at least can you define your gender? Okay, please give me the answer. Rajal is saying C. Yaar, what you people are fighting in Admit channel? What fight is going on, my dear? अरे बोल के करो यार, मुझे भी समझ में आएगा. What is the answer? People are giving me option C. Is it C? Pa thoda pa. Yes, option C. My dear Ednovate, please give me the answer. I always give your example to my Haikyuu students. Ednovate students are very fast. They are very sincere. You can ask them. They are in front of me. My lecture is telecasted live. And I always tell them Ednovate students are very, very sincere. Please be like Ednovate students. This is what I tell them. But you people are not answering my questions. Then what is the point in telling you as in sincere students? 13 you got it. Very good. Okay. C is the right answer. Minus 8, minus 6, minus 4. So what is A is equal to? Minus 8. What is D is equal to? Plus 2. Number of terms is sum of the series of n terms. So Sn equal to 52. So they ask you to find out n. So 52 is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Check this. At this video also not. Okay commerce. Sir 30-40 सेकेंड तो लगेगा ना क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में. Please give us time. Fine my dear. Problem is you are taking too much time. 30-40 seconds so I am giving actually. Now, commerce lifestyle, I'm giving you 15 seconds. Do it. 15 seconds I'm giving. See, plenty of time I give. C. I think you took more than 15 seconds. Can I solve now? Okay. Fine. Mr. C.A. Sheikh given me answer as A. Fine. Listen here. Remember one thing. If A, B, C are in AP, the rule always remember twice the middle term is equal to sum of the extreme terms. What is it? Twice the middle term is equal to sum of the extreme terms. Here, twice the middle term. 2 into 4k minus 5. What is it? 8k minus 10 is equal to sum of the extreme terms. What is it, my dear? 9k plus 13. Am I right? So, minus k is equal to 23. K is minus 23. Sir, what we did now, sir? We use simply trial and error method, sir. We substitute the values, sir. We checked whether AP is coming or not, sir. Very good, sir. It is waste of time, sir, because our option is option D, sir. Yes, D. Praveen Kumar, how did you get 23? Everyone get 23, I don't know. I am getting minus 23. His answer is right. Minus 23 is right? I am right. If the ratio of sum of n terms of two APs is n plus 1 is to n minus 1, then the ratio of mth term do it. Black Panther gave me answer C. Janil asking me trick. Okay. Some people are giving me answer B. Some people are giving me A. I don't know what should I take. No idea, sir. Very good, Rahul. I appreciate you. Give legend method. Okay. Trick, sir. Trick, sir. Trick, sir. Okay, sir. Trick, sir. Kudukla, sir. See, listen here. The ratio of sum of n terms of two APs is n plus 1 is to n minus 1. If I take one AP Sn by Sn dash is equal to n plus 1 by n minus 1. You all agree, my dear? Didn't get, sir. Give us trick, sir. Okay. Wait, I'll give. Yeah, I'm giving trick. Wait. First, if you want to learn the trick, you should know the method, na? Without knowing the method, how can you use the trick? First, let me solve by actual method. After that, I'll give you the trick, okay? Since it is AP, what is Sn formula? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. I would like to convert these two in that format. So, what exactly will come, my dear? Sir, let us multiply and divide by n by 2, sir. Then this one I want to convert in this way, n minus 1 into D. So this is n plus 1. So can I write it as n minus 1, this n plus 1, can I write it as n minus 1 plus 2, my dear? Is that right? Fine. And the denominator also, it is already n minus 1. Okay. Don't worry, I'll give the trick, but I want you to learn the method also. N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D divided by n by 2 into 2A. Sir, here nothing, sir. That means 0. 2 into 0 plus n minus 1 into 1. So for first AP, what is A equal to? 1. What is D equal to? 1. For the second AP, what is A equal to? 0. What is D equal to? 1. Now the question they ask you to find out, mth term. What they ask you to find out? Then the ratio of their mth term. That means what? Tn by Tn. Fine. So what exactly will come? Can you please tell me, my dear? A plus n minus 1 into, this is m minus 1 into D divided by A plus, A is 0, na? M minus 1 into D again. D is what? 1, which is 1 plus m minus 1 divided by m minus 1, m by m minus 1. Option D. This is the actual method. Definitely I don't allow you to follow this method. Are you all ready to learn the method? See, but of course you need to find out what is A and D for both the APs. Similar type of question is there in institute material also. I think some number 17 from additional question bank, it seems. You try this trick, because remember, my dear, only me teaching the trick is not going to help until you attend the trick. Okay, attend it in the question on your, that is practically you should attend, my dear. Please listen here. Sn divided by Sn dash. Is it n plus 1 by n minus 1? Is the question is correct? My dears, please, this method if you follow, see, I want you to try this. Okay, I want you to try this. Otherwise, institute material you have anyone? Give me. I will do one thing. I'll explain this. After this, I'll give one sum. I want you to apply the trick. Will you do that? Say yes or no, my dear. Will you do that? It was sum number 15. Okay. Now, this is my first AP. This is my second AP. Am I right? Say yes or no, my dear. Fine. Guys, I need some reaction if you understand the trick. Okay. What is coefficient of n? What is coefficient of n? First AP. Second AP. What is coefficient of n? Say loudly, man. Numerator. What is coefficient of n? 1. So, for the first AP, d is equal to 1. That's it. Next step. I'm going to find out a. I'm going to find out a. Now, what is coefficient of n? 1. What is constant here? Plus 1. Add both, what you are going to get? 2. My a is going to be that the sum of the coefficients divided by 2, which is nothing but 1. Is it clear, all of you? Sum of the coefficients. For example, 3n plus 2 is there. What is a equal to? If 3n plus 2 is there, what is a equal to? If 3n plus 2 is there, what is a equal to? Very good. What is a is equal to? If 3n plus 2 is there, what is a equal to? Add the coefficient. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 2. Is that clear, my dear? That's it. So you got a also. For the second AP, what is coefficient of n? 1. So d is equal to 1. Can you tell me what is a is equal to? What is a is equal to? Tell me what is a is equal to? Sir, add the coefficient, sir. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Guys, now you understood or not? See, look at this. A equal to 1, d equal to 1, a equal to 0, d equal to 1. Directly by using this we got it, right, my dear? By looking at the question you can find out what is a, what is d. Do you all agree? Yes? I think further you know what to do. Further you know what to do. What is it? Sir, mth term na sir. Tm divided by Tm. A plus first AP. A plus n minus 1 into d. Sorry, m minus 1 into d. It goes on like that. Do you all understand this or not, my dear? Please say yes or no. Please say yes or no. Yes, Jason. Thank you. Did you understand the trick? See, we wanted to get a and d. Na? Directly we can get it. So I want you to apply this with this sum. Are you ready to apply, my dear? For example, sum of n terms of an AP ratio Sn by Sn dash is equal to, my dear, I need some reaction if you understand it. 7n minus 5 divided by 5n plus 17. Find Tm by Tn. Find out. Sorry. Tm by Tm only. Mth term. Similar type of question. Same type of question. What is A for the first AP? What is D for the first AP? Tell me. What is A for the first AP? What is D for the first AP? Let's see how many of you understood my trick. Then I will decide in the further question also should I give trick or not. First AP, what is the value of D and what is the value of A? Commerce lifestyle, very good. first AP. What is D is equal to? What is A equal to? Sorry. Wow. So that means you understood the trick. Thank you so much for understanding my trick. For the first AP, sir, as you said, coefficient of n is yes, D, sir. So D is 7. And sum of coefficients divided by 2 is A, sir. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Is that right, my dear? Next, second AP. Coefficient of n is, and A is what? 5 plus 17 by 2, which is nothing but 11. I can challenge you, my dear. No one learnt this way of finding A and D. This is my challenge. Do you all agree with me? Correct? I can challenge you. This is the first time you are learning this type of question in this way. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Now, great. Thunder Place, can you watch this video once again? In a GP, if the fourth term is 3 and the product of the first 7 terms. Okay. In a GP, fourth term is 3, then the product of first 7 terms. What, Rajal? V? What is V? Okay. Listen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 terms. Out of 7 terms, fourth term is 3. Am I right, my dear? GP means either increasing or decreasing. Is that clear? So definitely what? 3, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4. This is going to be the right hand side. Left hand side will be what, my dear? 3 power 0, 3 power minus 1, 3 power minus 2. Is that correct? Now product of all first 7 terms. 3 power minus 2, 3 power minus 1, 3 power 2 and 3 get cancelled. 3 power 0 is 1. If I multiply everything, only 3 power 3 into 3 power 4, which is nothing but 3 power 7. Is that correct, my dear? There is a student called Sham. How many sums you will be solving today, sir? Today I am going to wind up little early. In another 5-10 minutes I will wind up. Throat infection. I don't know. I won't be able to continue much. Because I'm taking continuously, na? Okay. This one I want you to find out, my dear. 2 plus 6 plus 10 plus 14 plus 8 plus dot dot 18 plus dot 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 plus x is equal to 882. It is in AP or GP? It's in AP or GP? Rahul says, sir, take, yaar pa Rahul, anyone is here? No, na? Rahul says, take care, sir, world needs you, at least we need you. Okay. A is equal to 2, D is equal to 4. Find out. Yeah, can you please find the value of x? Listen here. Sn is equal to n by 2 into total how many terms? Okay, you try. That I want you to try. Black Panther gave me option C. Here last term is given as x. Am I right, my dear? Is number of terms given? Pratish given me answer 82. Black Panther also gave me 82. May I know what you did, Black Panther? Yeah, Mohan also gave me 82. Very good. What about others? Rahil Shah 82. Very good. Pandirajan C. Nitya Madam C. Anwar Basha C. Okay, everyone given me 32, 82. Very good. First, what you found? How you got 82? Huh? First, what you found? You tell me, my dear. What did you find? See, you got 82. May I know the procedure of getting 82? Excuse me. A equal to 2, D equal to 4. Then what you did? A? A plus? L equal to A plus L. What is N? Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. What is N? How did you get that 21? N? N by 2 plus 2A, n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. CA Sheikh is telling, sir, I played with the number. Janiel, Janiel, you are here now. Sir, I used a calculator, sir. Okay. Now listen here. Of course, you got the right answer, but I don't know how did you get it very fast. Or T21 is 82. How it is 21 terms? How do you know it is 21 terms? Is it given somewhere? My question is, how did you find n equal to 21? N is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Am I right? So actually n is equal to x minus 2 plus 4, which is x plus 2 by 4. This is what our n is. Now, Sn is equal to n by 2 into, that is x plus 2 is n by 4 is n by 2 into first term plus last term. Is that right, my dear? Okay. So x plus 2 the whole square is equal to, what is 882 into 8? What is 882 into 8? 70? Taking square root, what is 8 plus x plus 2 is equal to? What is square root of 7056? 84. So x is equal to 82. Now I got x is equal to 82. I am very much shocked. How did you get that 21? Sir, कैल्सी पर 4 ऐड करते गए 882 नहीं आया. How can you add 444? Sir, 2 plus 4 equal to until 78 and click get GT and I used options. Mohan, you are intelligent man. But these questions and all should be solved by using formulas only. Because first we need to find out what is n. Then after that only you can find out Sn. Okay? sum up to infinity is very, very important. What is sum up to infinity formula? S infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r. Can you try this? Genial, you are a great man. Tusi great ho. Yes. Now listen here. S infinity is equal to a by, what is r is equal to x? 1 minus x. Am I right, my dear? This is nothing but our y. So 1 minus x is equal to 1 by y. X is equal to 1 minus 1 by y minus 1 by y. Option A, option A. Okay. This type of question tomorrow I'll be doing. I'll get few more problems of this type, and based on that we are going to do this question. Okay, my dear. Acha, very good, Daniel. See what and all you people are saying. Okay, my dear. Thank you all of you. Good night. Sweet dreams. Similar type of questions we'll be solving tomorrow. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Tomorrow also sequence and series, and I may start with sets. Introduction will be given. Bye everyone. Thank you. Good night. Sweet dreams. So end with that. Okay. Great.